In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flag and import your own custom flags. To add a flag, click the Landscape tab, click the Accessory button, and open the library. In the categories on the left, select Flags, and then you can select from Pole Flags or Wall Flags. I'm going to select a pole flag. Click to add it. As you can see, the flag dynamically waves in the wind. We can change the wind strength by going over to the wind setting and then selecting the desired velocity we would like. And then we can adjust the size of the flag by adjusting these properties here. If we want to have a custom flag, we can import a picture using the Picture Import Wizard. To do so, we're going to click Tools, select Picture Import Wizard, click Next, and then make sure we set the picture type to Picture. Click Next, and then select the desired image. Click Next, 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 and Finish. I'm going to copy the picture of the flag. To do so, in the Properties pane on the right, to the right side of the thumbnail, click on the arrow button, and then select Copy. To change the flag, select the flag, click on the arrow button to the right of the thumbnail, and then select Edit Materials. Material 4 is the flag. Click the arrow button on the right, and then select Paste. Go ahead and click OK. And there we go. Thanks for watching. And for more information about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.